time. It's the king of the bunny. Yay! Oh, and I'm going to add one more finishing touch. Sprinkle, sprinkle, hee. And that's the rabbit king of the bunny in his hole where he lives. And it points in. And that is the cupcake. Hi guys, today we're going to be making some Easter bunny cupcakes. Now let's get started. Yay! Now mix a little food. Yeah. Let's just move Mrs. Bunny. Milk. Huh? And now let's pour the milk. Cakes, we are just using a cupcake mix already made, and we chose vanilla flavor because it's Easter. And now let's pour the yummy eggies that are raw. Yep. Make sure they plop in safely. No. Oh, look at that egg yolk. Plop. The big tidal wave. And after we get to plop in our yummy melted butter. Here's the butter. Now we get to pour the butter inside. It's not just butter, it's melted butter. You have to keep on mixing. And it's like mashed banana with honey. The cup. Oh, my sister's mixing. I'm going to prepare the cupcake. Now, we're going to start with the first one. And the cupcake tray splits into two. And pouring the chocolate in molds. It's much better. Now it's time to decorate them. But first we need to put yummy icing. I know. I'll use this spoon. Can I use this? white nose. Hee. And that's the rabbit king of the bunny in his hole where he lives, and it points in. And that is the cupcake. Yummy! Got a little smile there.